Natural disasters. Earthquake. The ground shakes and moves because of Earth's crust. Volcano. A mountain that can erupt with hot lava and gases. Tornado. Spinning winds from big storms that can blow things around. Hurricane. A big storm with strong winds and heavy rain that forms over warm ocean water. Flood. Too much water covers land that is usually dry. Wildfire. Big fires that spread quickly through forests or grasslands. Tsunami. Huge waves caused by underwater earthquake or volcanic eruptions. Landslide. Rocks, debris, or earth move down a slope because of heavy rain or other factors. Drought. A long period with very little rain causing water scarcity and dry conditions. Avalanche. A rapid flow of snow down a slope, often triggered by snowfall or temperature changes.